Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share some essential tips for beginner web developers. If you are just starting out or if you have been trying to learn web development for a while, this video is for you. Tip number 1. Learn the basics. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the building blocks of web development. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. Just take it one step at a time. Tip number 2. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice coding, the better you'll get. Start with simple projects and work your way up to more complex ones. Tip number 3. Build a portfolio. Even as a beginner, you can start building a portfolio of your work. It's a great way to show potential employers what you can do, and it's also a great way to track your progress. Tip number 4. Keep learning. There's always something new to learn in web development. Stay up to date with the latest trends and tools by subscribing to blogs and attending webinars. So those are my essential tips for beginner web developers. Remember, the most important thing is to keep learning and practicing. With time and dedication, you can become a great web developer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.